Journey to Ixtlan by Carlos Castaneda. The main message of the book is respect the world by taking responsibility for your own life. I wanted to convince you that you must learn to make every act count since you are going to be here for only a short while. In fact, too short for witnessing all the marvels of it. Don tells Castaneda that personal history is crap. It is better simply to leave one's past alone and concentrate on being a new person every day, to have the freedom of not being predictable. His younger charge is fully known and therefore taken for granted. The thoughts of other people continue to shape his identity, and everything he does he must explain to other. He was uh, Dawn suggests that she left him because he was always available to her, which led to routine and boredom. He needs to adopt the mindset of a hunter who is never a slave to routine. If hunter knows the routine of their prey, they have them cornered. To avoid become prey ourselves, we must break our routines because less easily placed. At the heart of Don's wisdom is the idea that people take themselves too seriously. He noticed that Castaneda flares up at the slyest provocation. To help Castaneda get rid of his self-importance, Don make him talk to plants. They are, after all, his equals. He wants to break Castaneda's belief that he is a man in control with a clear agenda. Castaneda is taken aback when the old man tells him to constantly be aware of death lurking behind him. If he has the awareness, he will live differently. It will it will cure him of self-importance, and it will put apparently different situation into perspective. Don notes that the people who live as if they were immortal lead petty lives. They let themselves have crappy thoughts and moods. The pettiness of being annoyed with him was monstrous in the light of my death. Don teaches him to live as if it were his last day or hour on earth. This will make him love life. Thinking he had plenty of time had turned him into a timid half man. Journey to Extraland brings surprising lesson for a spiritual book. Be tough with yourselves, be decisive, be fully responsible for your actions. Self knowledge can only be gained through recognition of this greater force.